क्वेश्चन लोग काम करेक्ट in 3D correct.
Yes, sir.
I have a line. It is passing through A bar. It is perpendicular to both B bar and C bar. This line is perpendicular to both B bar and C bar. How is B bar cross C bar? How is B bar cross C bar?
Null vector.
A vector parallel to the line A bar.
Source.
Therefore, in place of B bar, what do we have? B bar cross C bar. B bar cross C bar is a vector perpendicular to, is a vector parallel to line through A bar. Hence, what is the required line equation? Bolaman. Correct?
Sir, B bar cross C bar is null vector, no, sir?
This is a vector man. These are the parallel vectors.
Yes, sir.
These are the parallel vectors.
Yes, sir.
This is a vector which will be perpendicular to both A bar and B bar and C bar.
Yes, sir.
Correct? How is this vector to this line?
Parallel.
That's what I wrote. Plane through A bar and perpendicular to M bar. थ्री डी में बोलो मैम and having बोलो मैम करेक्ट फॉर्मूले आप बोलना चाहिए मैं बोल ले रहा हूँ मैं लिख ले रहा हूँ क्या ये करेक्ट है
So,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
सम्मान नंबर एब्सेंट है आज
Yes, sir, is not there.
शादी में कैसे 5. General equation or standard form of a plane in 3D is what, man? In vectors is what, man? Ah, plane through point of intersection of two planes. Pi 1 plus lambda pi 2 is equal to 0. That is 3D image is what? Into or plus lambda into वेक्टर्स में बोलो मैम r bar dot n1 bar minus lambda 1 plus some mu into r bar dot n2 bar minus lambda 2 is equal to 0. Am I correct?
Yes.
Distance between parallel planes in 3D is what? Under root of वेक्टर्स में बोलो मैम मॉडुलस ऑफ लैम्डा 1 माइनस लैम्डा 2 by mod n bar. Am I correct?
Yes.
अब इमेज फुट ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर वेक्टर 3D इमेज लेके अपन plane is point is what was foot of perpendicular का formula? इमेज का फॉर्मूला come on fill the gaps. जल्दी आंसर मैन पुट द परपेंडिकुलर का फॉर्मूला बोलो जी. हाँ माइनस ऑफ करेक्ट.
Yes.
इमेज का फॉर्मूला करेक्ट.
Yes.
What is angle between the planes 3D में?
Angle between their parallel vectors.
हाँ angle between their normals में.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Perpendicular vectors. What is
Yes.
it? Cos inverse of ये दोनों ही है ना? हाँ
A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by
under root of sigma A1 square into under root of sigma A2 square. Am I correct? What about the formula vectors में? Cos inverse of these are the planes. Formula n1 bar dot n2 bar by mod n1 bar mod n2 bar. Correct?
Yes, sir.
What is the angle between line and a plane? थ्री डी में साइन इनवर्स ऑफ लाइन और प्लेन लिखना शायद. We'll write this. थ्री डी में लाइन बोलो जी. No, will not write ABC. LMN लिखेंगे. Plane. What's the angle? Sin inverse of AL BM CM by sigma L square into under root of sigma A square. Correct? Vectors में
yes, sir.
A bar plus PB bar and plane. Sin inverse of B bar dot N bar by mod B bar mod N bar. Correct?
Yes.
और एक बार this was Ashman. Ratio formula. Ratio in which plane, I forgot to tell you this in the class, AX plus BY plus CZ plus D is equal to 0 divides 2D में कर रहे हैं line joining. याद है x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2। बच्चे लोग 2D में है ये माइनस ऑफ बोलो by ax2 plus by2 plus cz2 plus d। What do you mean by ratio positive? That is minus of pi 11 by pi 22। What do you mean by ratio positive? What do you mean by ratio positive? Points will lie opposite side of the plane. Ratio positive. Points lie on opposite side. And what's the condition, man? When will ratio become positive? This minus sign should vanish. When does this minus sign vanishes? When product of these two is negative. That means what? Pi 11 into pi 22 less than 0. What is ratio negative? Points lie on same side of the plane. When will ratio be negative? This minus sign should be intact. So product of these two must be positive.
Positive.
Pi 11 into pi 22 greater than. This we did in 2D. I did not write in 3D. 11th point is not there in the notes. बच्चे लोग 2D के notes में है, not in 3D.
Yes, sir.
Zahiruddin Adnan. हो Zahiruddin Adnan.
Yes, sir.
अपना
Sorry, sir, I got disconnected.
अदनान क्लास होने के बाद
Yes, sir.
आज के ये पूरे फॉर्मूले है ना,
Yes, sir.
उसका फोटो निकाल के ग्रुप में डालो, अपना ग्रुप में।
Okay, sir.
I will forward it to seniors. They were asking me.
Okay, sir, I will do it.
Next. Anyhow, we will not use them in vectors, man, but still, what is playing through A bar, B bar, C bar? और एक फॉर्मूला बॉक्स ऑफ ए बी सी, करेक्ट है। 3D में करेक्ट बच्चे लोग, करेक्ट। Playing through A bar and B bar and parallel to C bar। यहां से मैं भूल गया चीज बोलना, मेरे को डेरिवेशन नहीं पता है। जरा नोट्स चेक करके बोलो करेक्ट है। और बॉक्स ऑफ RBC plus box of RCA is equal to box ABC। चलो करेक्ट है क्या, चेक करो। एंड वेक्टर्स भाषा में, सॉरी 3D में, हाँ x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1 इस पैरेलल वेक्टर को आई थिंक आई सेड नोट्स में अल्फा बीटा गामा।
Yes, sir.
Just check these vector notations. Playing through A bar and parallel to B bar and C bar। और box RBC is equal to box ABC। 3D में x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, alpha 1, beta 1, gamma 1, alpha 2, beta 2, gamma 2। चेक करो करेक्ट है क्या। इसको आगे से ही सेकंड लेवल बच्चे लोग, this will be asked in various forms in the exam। Shall I tell you one form how it is asked in the exam?
So,
बच्चे लोग, shall I tell you how it is asked in the exam? Written all this.
Yes.
These three forms are important and they will be asked in twisted and turned ways in the exam. I'll tell you one. Plane containing R bar is equal to A bar plus TB bar and parallel to R bar equal to C bar plus SD bar has equation dash. Can you tell me what is happening now? Plane is containing the line. What is the plane? What is the line which the plane is containing? अपना हाथ ले लो, हाथ का लकीर, हाथ का लकीर. What does the line on your palm indicates? Plane is containing that line and parallel to the vector. Is the figure clear?
Yes, sir.
That means how is the required plane? It is passing through A bar, parallel to B bar and D bar. किधर आ गए अपन?
Sir.
14 में आ गए. So what's the required plane? Required plane is through A bar and parallel to, बोलो जी. What's the equation? We'll get 3D form only. I want you to understand what does this A1, A2, A3 stands for. A bar K, B bar, D bar, D bar K. Agreed? बच्चे लोग agreed?
Yes, sir.
Now, similarly, plane containing and this will have 4 forms. Now tell me what are the points plane is passing through. What do you mean by plane containing 2 lines? Look at your palm. In your palm, are there 2 lines on your palm?
Yes, sir.
Ah, those are nothing but these 2.
Okay, sir.
We require 3. This has 4 answers. This has 4 answers. You can write the answer in 4 forms. Form 1. Bolo. Plane through A bar and parallel to
Parallel to B bar and D bar.
B bar and D bar. Next.
X minus A1, Y minus.
That you will write.
Yes,
You
sir.
can write these 3. Next. Plane through. Bolo. A bar and C bar and parallel to D bar. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Third. Plane through. Bolo man.
C bar and parallel to B bar and D bar.
A bar and C bar and parallel to B bar. अपन B bar छोड़िए.
Yes, sir.
What's the 4th form? What's the 4th form?
Plane through C bar and parallel to B bar and D bar.
Correct. Plane through Shabash. Plane through C bar and parallel to B bar and D bar. I am not writing these expansions in vector form, 3D form, vector form, 3D form, vector form, 3D form, vector form, 3D form. That you will write. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What was next? I think distance from C bar to भूल जी बोलो. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Foot of perpendicular from just check the notes. I'm not sure. I forgot.
No, sir, correct, sir.
वाह जबरदस्त याद है शाबाश. This is called self appraisal. I think only one left over. Oh, both. Can I clear RHS?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How are the lines R bar equal to A bar plus TB bar, C bar plus SB bar are? बोलो मैम. How are these lines parallel with the distance between them being, बोलो जी. Am I correct? Shortest distance between C bar plus SB bar. आईपी एग्जाम के लिए अगर ये चैप्टर है तो एग्जामिनर्स फेवरेट 7 मार्क क्वेश्चन
सर निकाल लिया सर वो शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस.
निकाल दिए. शाबाश. Correct.
Yes, sir.
What happens when lines intersect? Their shortest distance tends to 0. That is box of C minus A BD is equal to 0. और कुछ रह गया? I think लास्ट क्लास में भी अपन 22 फॉर्मूले लिखे. बच्चे लोग और कुछ रह गया? Anything I forgot? बोलो मैम.
इमेज सर.
क्या बोले?
इमेज.
कौन सा ये put the perpendicular image.
Yes, sir.
Image of C bar with respect to R bar equal to A bar plus TB bar. सईदुर रहमान भूल गया जी, मैं जरा बोलो क्या ये, इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करके क्या करना ना,
सर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करके -c करना.
करेक्ट है.
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
I think this completes the formula. See, if you want me to continue by taking classes like this, a 45 minutes class every day, where we write some formulae of the chapters and all, I will do. Or else generally I leave the students for IPE break. So क्या करेंगे?
45 minutes.
फॉर्मूले पूरे नोट्स में रहते जी.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very rarely I miss. 11th one एक मिस किया. I think this also I missed. And is this 16th point there in the notes?
No, sir, no.
11th one भी मिस करा देखो. Shall I take one 45 minutes class every day, or else leave you for IB preparation?
Timings.
अब कौन से टाइम में आप फ्री है बोलो मेरे को? मॉर्निंग में
Afternoon.
11 to 11:45 फ्री है.
No, sir, from Monday, chemistry IP class, sir.
हाँ, then थोड़े दिन IB पढ़ लो जी. अच्छा, we will meet after the IB exam then.
Okay, sir.
Okay, finish writing, you can leave. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
अपना पिक लेके भेजो मेरे को.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I will send it.
I'm closing down.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir, thank you. Sir. Bye. Sir.
Thank you.